Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to reading. Today, readers, I want to teach you how to ask and answer questions after reading a text. One way readers do this is by stopping and thinking, do I have any questions that I'm still thinking about? This is important because just like when you watch a movie, you don't catch everything the first time. Let's look at this example right here. Whenever I was done reading the story about Alfie and Nia, I stopped and I asked myself, wait, why does Alfie think Nia is 7, but she is holding a balloon with an 8 on it? Maybe if I go back in the book and reread, I can figure it out. I know that when I watch a movie for the second or third time, I try to answer questions I had after watching it the first time. So, I know that whenever Alfie left Nia to go look for a gift, she was turning 7, and it was springtime. And then I noticed through the pictures and words that tell me the seasons are changing and it's getting colder. And then he's napping inside the pond through winter. And then as it gets warmer weather coming on, I see that time is passing by and he doesn't realize it because he's sleeping and hibernating. So, I was able to go back and think about my question. How or why does he think she's turning 7, but her balloon says she's turning 8? Okay, so I was able to think about a question when I was done reading, and then go back and use clues to help me figure out what happened, because the first time when I was reading through it, I didn't realize what was going on. I had to think about it after I was done reading. So, what I want you to do today is I want you to be asking questions at the end of your story. Whenever you are done reading, I want you to use your reading notebook and jot down any questions that you might have had at the end of your story. And if you had a question at the end of your story, go back and look and see if maybe you missed something in the pictures, or maybe you missed key words that helped you answer your question. So, I want you to go ahead on Epic, get out your reading notebook, and begin working on asking questions after you are done reading.